Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you a trendy clean makeup look which is going like insane all around the world. Hence I have decided to give it a shot. I have already done with my cleansing and toning part. Now to hydrate my skin, I am using Nivea creme. If you have extremely dry skin, this would be a life savior. It gives you instant glow. Massage it for like 2 to 3 minutes. The products which I have used here will be mentioned in my description box. Once that is done properly on my skin, I am using Swiss Beauty Orange Color Corrector on dark parts of my face and even on my acne to make it look subtle. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 103 and Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Ivory. I am using it where I want to highlight my face. Now for the base, I am using e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. I am taking out literally a drop of it and mixing it with moisturizer to get a flawless and clear base. Now I am using Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact Powder. Here I am just applying on my upper eyelids and under eyes. I am not applying all over my face. Then I am using Wet n Wild Ultimatebrow kit to define my eyebrows. I'm starting my eyeshadow by taking a peachy and baby pink shades, applying it on outer corner of my eyes and blending it perfectly. Then I am using a makeup fixer spray on a flat brush to make eyeshadow look more intense. Here I am using baby pink and white shimmer eyeshadow on inner corners of my eyes till the middle portion of my eyes. I am applying the same peach shade on my lower lash line. Now I am using Wet n Wild white kajal on my lower waterline. For contour, I am using Wet n Wild contour powder. Now I am using a lip crayon from Faces Canada in the shade Pitch Me 08 as a blusher. Next, for the highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter. For the mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For the final step, I am using Swiss Beauty Lip Liner in the shade Dark Brown. Then I am using Faces Canada Lip Crayon in the shade Pitch Me 08. Guys, this is the final look of trending clean makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.